Hi guys, Top Hat Monkey here, and today I'm going to be doing a time lapse of putting these clone troopers together that I just bought. I bought 20 of them, and then after that I'm going to tell you about where I got them. It's a really good site, so let's get to it. Hi guys, so I'm back. I finished putting them together. So this was I like these. Even though they are fake Lego. But they actually do work well. A couple of the hands didn't work. And there was a lot of extra hands, so I just put them in my Lego figure stuff. And then, so I have this guy in the front because, so when I took the helmet out, it has this weird, the camera's not focusing. Here, let me just, you can kind of see it. It has this weird marking right here. I don't know what that is. Might be a misprint, but I actually kind of like it. So I made him like the captain or something, So yeah, he's in the front. Yeah, I'm actually really happy about this. So this is 20 of them. And so you can get these 20 with the extra hands for some reason for $20, only $20, and it gets delivered fast depending where you are. From where I am, it gets delivered fast. And yeah, so this is, and you can get, so from the same person, I got this on eBay. I will show you the site. So you can get 20 battle droids for $20, so it's like $1 a piece. It's really good. And they also have other kind of clone troopers. Like they have 501st. They have like 10 pack. One 10 pack of like clone troopers costs $20. They got 501st, 327th, 41st, stuff like that. And they also have stormtroopers, different kind of stormtroopers. They got sand troopers. They got first order troopers, stuff like that. So I'm going to show you this site, right? So I'm on eBay right now. eBay. So if you type in Lego Clone Troopers, and if you go down, the second thing on the list should be this. Star Wars Force. It should say Star Wars First Order Stormtrooper Minifigs, lot sale for Lego USA seller. The picture should look like this. Oh, this is new. Got Baby Yoda. So if you click on that, and then there you go. If you click on select, you can do all different kinds. So let's say I wanted, I'm gonna go to 501st clones, and then he has armor. So you can see it has shoulder pads on it. This is really cool. So yeah, and then there's different kinds too. You got yellow ones. You got red mist clones. Actually, I don't know what those are. It's pretty funny. And they have like a bunch of Mandalorian guys, and then they have packs from like Star Wars movies. So they have Rebel Soldiers, Hoth Rebel Soldiers, Rise of Skywalker, stuff like that. You have Rise of Skywalker stuff. And then they got, oh yeah, they got weapons. They got weapons that you can get. Got sniper, blaster, sniper. And then they got clear. They have actually like clear stormtroopers. And then clear Empire stormtroopers. And then wait, where is it? So they have the Mandalorian, which has the Mandalorian, obviously. Some other guy, Baby Yoda, that droid thing. So yeah, that is pretty. These are really good deals, actually. But I must say, so the Kashyyyk clones, clone shock troopers, phase 2 clones, let's see, patrol troopers are all out of stock, sadly. So yeah, that's kind of sad. Wait a minute. Last time I checked, the battle droids were out of stock, but I'm gonna look again. See here. So we got phase 2 clones. So this is the ones that I got. Yeah. I got 2 of those. Where are the droids? I know they had droid. Oh, wait a minute. Never mind. Oh, that's bad. So actually, if you can get droids from the same guy if you do droids. So, let's see here. Where is it? I don't know where it is. This is the same thing. But, yeah. I don't know. I don't remember where I got it. So, yeah. There we go. Okay, guys. This is the end of the video today. Thanks for watching. And one more thing. I think I might be doing another unboxing video of this because I think I am going to get more clone troopers, but different kinds. 2 different kinds maybe. But from the same guy, and it's gonna be pretty good. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, please. That would be very helpful. And bye.